Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Tired again. Um, yeah, just did not sleep very well last night. And it's because of you crazy people on whatnot. I cannot stress enough the my thanks for all the support you guys showed last night during my first live whatnot auction. Guys are crazy, crazy in a good way. I'm just so humbled by how well everything went last night. And again, I just can't thank you all enough for for your bids last night and for just stopping in and the support. So had a terrific night. I started off with 30 lots that I was going to sell. It went on for I think 3.5 hours. So the last I had two smaller lots that I just threw in with the last two lots. But yeah, I'm just dumbfounded. I'm just really appreciative and dumbfounded. So I'm gonna go over the sales last night. They're over here. Um, a lot of 400 California postcards. 232. Another lot of California postcards. 182. I did like 5 giveaways last night. They do not make up for just the support that I got, given back to you guys. I might have to do a little bit more. I did see like Harry Tornado gave away a PS5 or something like that. I don't think I'll ever do that, but I will have to up my giveaway game for sure. Uh, a lot of stereo views for $79, real photo, uh, postcard lot of babies, $62, a miscellaneous lot of ephemera went for 63. Did another giveaway, 100 miscellaneous postcards, 85. Disneyland Continental postcards, $25. Victorian trade cards, 39. And Matt Jackass Retro, I'm throwing some extras in there for you. Thank you very much for being in there last night and bidding, and everybody else that bid. Thank you again. Um, Another lot of miscellaneous postcards, 184, 200 Native Americana postcards, 131. Thank you, Cameron. Thank you very much. And Sandra, thank you again for the purchase of the California cards. And of course, Connie Lynn, thank you very much for being in there last night. 100 Lighthouse postcards, 101. Thank you, Jules. Um, what's this one? More stereo view cards. Kelly, thank you. 86 for that. Giveaway. What's this one? 75 California postcards. Jules, thank you again. 131. 100 miscellaneous postcards. 194 Cameron, thank you very much. Those are some great cards in there. 78 large letter greetings and other miscellaneous large letter cards. 161. Is it Dr. Egg or D Reg or your name? Thank you. Thank you very much. Another lot of miscellaneous real photo postcards, 152. Thank you, Connie. Um, and Holiday, 81. Disney, 43. I'm not going to go through all these, y'all. You can see them, but they just did just incredible. Thank you, just thank you. So anyway, 28 total lots, and I was just shy of 3,000, 2956 or something like that. Whatnot, I think all total they'll take probably 11 or 12% for their fees, which is awesome. I know I won't get this. I might get this video out in time, but today, make sure I forgot to do this yesterday or last night. I was so busy watching the stream, or I'm sorry, showing you all the postcards that I did not pay close enough attention to the chat. So I apologize if I didn't say hi. I missed you coming into the chat, or if I didn't shout out your YouTube channel or your upcoming whatnot auctions. And one I forgot Ben over at New to You Provisions. Excuse me, today at 10 o'clock, he's doing postcard auctions today. So if you get a chance, head over to watch Ben's stream today and support him. And on Whatnot, if you follow me, I follow you. I think I've gone through my follows this morning. I don't know. I'm tired, but anyway, just thank you everybody for Whatnot. It was incredible. We'll do this again Saturday. I'll pull a couple boxes. I was gonna do 4. It took 3.5 hours last night to do 28 lots. I'll probably do 2 or 3 boxes, but I'm just gonna pull them off the shelf. We'll start off with those lower quantity 25, 50 postcard lots, so winners can any next lots they can get that $1 shipping. So we'll start off with smaller lots and probably get bigger toward the end. But again, I just can't say it enough. Thank you very much. So let's get on to eBay. As great as Whatnot was last night, eBay continues to be less than stellar. Again, it's my fault. I'm not listing much. I've spent some time putting the Whatnot auctions and giveaways together. It's excuse, John. Let's just list and shut up about it. So anyway, 11 orders, $87. This is Texas, Dallas, Texas Baptist Church Building, number 2. Looks like I had a couple of these. Sold on a best offer for $4. Harrisburg. How about Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Middletown, 3 Mile Island Fire Department. I've talked about these before. I did a buyout one time where it was a whole collection of cards published by this guy. Still have probably thousands of those cards left. I think there was a best offer of $4 on that one. Block Island, Rhode Island, aerial view of New Harbor, $6 on the best offer. I'm going to go visit this place. I've never been to Rhode Island, but Block Island seems kind of cool. Probably a touristy place now, but someday I'll make it to Rhode Island. What did I say? $6 on that one. This is Silverton, Colorado, Blair Street, 1950s old cars. There's that. Looks like just an old Wild West town. Oh yeah, Silverton. Duh. $6.95 best offer for that card. This is George Washington House in New York City. So probably put out to commemorate Washington's birth or death. $5 for that postcard. Big Bear Lake, California, Golden Horseshoe Camp real photo. I think this probably came from the York Postcard Show. Not 100% sure. Best offer was actually $29 on that one. I sent out 25% off offers, so that sold. Next is Athens, Georgia, aerial view Sanford Bulldog Football Stadium. There's that sold for $4.99. Fort Wayne, Indiana, Jefferson Street view Greyhound bus, 1950s. $7.99 for that card. Weeki Wachee, Florida, beautiful mermaid eating banana underwater. I personally wouldn't eat that banana, but I'm glad she did for this postcard because that sold for $9.99. Actually, it's probably a best offer for a little bit less. Geneva on the Lake, Ohio, Lake Erie, Allen Court Cottages, 1940s. So there's that. And last card, this is Excursion Steamer Boat Block Island at New Harbor Block Island. So the same person bought the other Block Island card, bought this one. So yeah, so I guess average average sales day on eBay. 1 second here. Probably just need to start a segment called Bad Buyer of the Week or something like that over on my other store, airplane dash postcards or plane postcards. I can't quite remember now. Had a buyer, and I think I talked about this in one of my videos, that had a guy from Germany, and he wanted to conduct business outside of eBay in order to avoid the VAT taxes. And I pretty much told him to F off. I'm not doing that. And I reported him to eBay, canceled his orders, and the idiot, we'll call him an idiot, went ahead and shot me payment through to a PayPal address without the VAT taxes, without any customs fees, and it was to a PayPal address that I don't own. So I don't know where he sent it. So anyway, I woke up this morning, there were 5 negative feedbacks from this guy. Well, when I initially contacted eBay and told them, hey, this guy's trying to pay outside of eBay, in fact, I want to cancel it, and the eBay rep said, well, I was like, there's no mechanism. What's the reason for me canceling this? And the CSR rep said, well, use the wrong address. And that's what I did. So, instead of, I canceled the orders for shipping to, there was a problem with the address. And so I woke up to 5 negatives, and I went to this help and contact, and there's a request to remove feedback. And so you just go down through here, you click on that you want to ask for feedback removal, and it gives you reasons why I chose pretty much like a retaliation or I can't think of the word right now, like an extortion one. And so eBay, I got to open it up here. eBay came back on 3 of the postcards, says we removed the feedback as it does not qualify under, we removed as it does not qualify under removal policies, and it takes 72 hours to remove. It actually took probably less than 20 minutes. So they removed 3, and when I submitted the request for removal, I used the exact same reason for all 5 of them. So they said on 3 of them, yeah, we'll remove it. But on 2 of them, they say, unfortunately, we won't be able to remove this feedback. So they removed 3 for the exact same reason. I don't know why they didn't remove the 2 other ones. So I'm going to have to reach out to eBay this morning and have them remove. I don't see why they wouldn't remove 2 for the exact same reason that 3 were removed. So yeah, the bad eBayer of the week. First airliner, I'm sorry, but you don't pay outside of eBay. You just don't do it. And they converted 1 to a positive. So I don't understand eBay, but anyway, yeah, that's it. I'll be packing up everybody's whatnot orders this morning. Get those to the post office hopefully before noon, but they will go out today. Again, thank you everybody for your support. I hope your sales are incredible. Just thank you.